From the News Channel 8 studios, this is Let's Talk Live.
Well, are you looking to remove fat cells immediately and painlessly? If you are, you're in luck. The new non-invasive body contouring system, UltraShape, does just that. And here with more about the non-surgical body shaping treatment is board-certified plastic surgeons Dr. Reps Sundin and Burton Sundin. Yes, they're brothers. I blew the secret there. I'm so happy you're here. UltraShape, what is that?
UltraShape is a new non-invasive fat reduction technology that's different than other fat reduction technologies that we've had in the past, in that it uses ultrasound to break up the fat cells. And it is very good because it has little to no discomfort involved with it, and it acts very quickly as well, which is different than other technologies we've had in the past.
Wow. Okay, now I've heard about forms of, I guess I'll say liposuction, but you don't have to cut or anything like that. Is this that, or is this something different?
This is a technology like that. It's a completely non-surgical technique of removing the fat cells by killing them with ultrasound. So there are no incisions, no anesthesia, really no downtime, and that's the beauty of it. No one even needs to know you had it done.
That's always a good thing. Now you're saying it kills the fat cells with ultrasound.
Right, they're permanently destroyed. So the ultrasound produces a cavitary energy that shakes the fat cells.
Wow.
And that shaking ruptures the fat cells. So the fat comes out of the cell, and then there's cellular debris, and your body absorbs that naturally. And that results in a reduction in the area treated by about 25% each time you do it. So you get about a 1.5 to 3 inch reduction for treatments. Now you do have to have 3 treatments, and they're spaced about 2 to 3 weeks apart.
That sounds like a miracle. We're showing some footage of a beautiful lady there having it done. She's not looking like she's in any pain whatsoever. Does it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt at all. That's a nice thing about this technology versus other techniques that are non-surgical. This one is actually pretty much completely pain-free.
And it gets it done pretty quickly.
And it gets it done faster than the other techniques, because since it's not creating any thermal injury, it's just pure sound waves. There's no swelling or damage to the surrounding tissue, so you actually see the results quicker, and as soon as 2 weeks after the procedure.
Wow. Is this new?
Yeah, it's new.
Technology?
It's new. It's been used in Canada and Europe extensively for probably over 6 or 7 years, and was originally written about in our Journal of Plastic Surgery. Some guys down in Texas who are leaders in our field studied it. But it recently came to the United States for FDA approval, but it's been very tried and tested in Europe and Canada and has excellent results.
And they've treated over 300,000 patients in other countries. So
wow.
It's got more peer-reviewed journals than any other device out there similar. It's got over 20 real journal articles about it. So it's a real deal.
That sounds like it's the real deal. All right, now you guys are local,
right,
and it sounds like this is such a good thing for people who are in the market for getting slimmer, quicker, and it doesn't hurt. Who's coming in to get this?
Well, both men and women are good candidates for it, and men like it a lot because there's no downtime and there's no surgery, and you don't have to take time off work. And likewise, women like it. And the people that are good candidates are people that have focal areas of fat on their body that they're just diet and exercise resistant, and they want to get rid of those areas of fat, and they want to do it without surgery.
Yeah, it's good for those areas just the hard to get rid of areas like the low back fat or the muffin top, or the areas that you just can't get rid of despite weight loss.
Yeah, because sometimes you can diet, you can be on that treadmill forever, and there are areas that they won't move.
Right.
But you hear all kinds of things, and I think, you know, of course, with anything, there are always rumors. Some people say that if you get something like this or something like liposuction, and the fat is gone from there, but it's going to come back someplace else on your body.
That's a complete myth. It's, you know, the theory is that if you kill the fat cells, they don't grow back in that area. Now, of course, you have residual fat cells in other areas of your body. So yes, if you abuse a technology like this, a liposuction, where you continue to gain weight and continue to get the treatments, you're going to get fat deposits in other areas.
You can't just go off eating the ice cream.
Right, but it doesn't automatically go to the next area. Actually, you'll completely eliminate these fat cells permanently from your body. And that's what's nice about this versus weight loss is your body's not going to put fat back on in that area as easy. And if it does, you can lose it easier in the future. So.
In that area. So basically, you're saying, all right, come on in, get this, but you need to make a lifestyle change if you tend to
Right, of course, you have to have good diet and exercise too, but it's not the diet and exercise that are doing the work of this technology. I mean, obviously, you know, you don't want to go out and eat a bunch of calories or stop exercising, but when you do UltraShape, we're really destroying those fat cells, and it's going to not only get rid of the cells but kind of break your body's cycle of putting the fat back in that same place every single time.
It's body shaping, body contouring, not weight loss surgery. It's which is what people need.
This is a very important thing to make that distinction. All right, people watching you now, I'm sure they're getting all excited. What do they do? How do they start? What happens first?
Well, they come in to see us for a consult, and our consultations are free. We're located at Tyson's Corner. Our practice is called M-Body, Modern Body Contouring and Laser Center, and it's a division of our plastic surgery practice, Virginia Institute of Plastic Surgery. And you'll see one of us, Dr. Reps Sundin or myself, Dr. Burton Sundin, and we'll evaluate you. We'll use our surgical expertise to discuss the treatment with you, explain what it can do for you. We're happy to talk to you about surgery, but this is something that a lot of people are choosing as an alternative.
And we're very personally involved in the whole consult process, treatment process. You're going to get a full evaluation by a board-certified plastic surgery about what your options are.
And that's important. Thank you both so much for joining us. That's
Thank you.
Good stuff. We'll be back with more right after this.